Today, we are focusing on an important topic: sickness and health. Knowing how to describe illnesses in their own language helps us to communicate better when caring for ourselves and others. Here are 10 Edo words related to sickness and their English meaning. Number 1. Emirao. That is fever. For example, one could say, Emirao we. He has a fever. Number 2. Akbangse. Eczema. Number 3. Ezegi-zegi. Dysentery or diarrhea. Number 4. Atori. Gonorrhea. Number 5. Omen. Cough. Number 6. Atowo. Whitlow. A finger infection. Number 7. Imifi. Smallpox. Number 8. Evirakon or Evirunu. Toothache. Number 9. Ekbuhun or Afira. Headache. Number 10. A hormone. A patient or a sick person.